Hello! In this video I will show you how to change search engine into a custom one on Redmi Note 7. So you have to start by opening your internet browser, and then you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your custom search engine. Now click here, and then click on settings, then click on search engine, and in recently visited you should have now yep.com option, so you can select that and then click back, and as you can see my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.